Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee, and I'm here to help you make the most out of Excel. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to remove hyperlinks from data tables. First, if you want to remove an individual hyperlink, select the cell containing the hyperlink, and then right-click and choose the option Remove Hyperlink. Excel will remove it immediately. To edit the hyperlink, select the cell with the hyperlink again and right-click, this time choosing the option Edit Hyperlink. In the pop-up window, you can edit the displayed text. In order to remove all hyperlinks across the spreadsheet, click on the upper left corner, which will highlight the whole sheet as selected. Then right-click, select Remove Hyperlinks, and Excel will do the job. By default, Excel automatically inserts the hyperlink when you enter a web link or email address into a cell, but luckily, this automatic hyperlinking can be disabled. To do this, go to File in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Options, Find and select Proofing, and click on Autocorrect Options. Go to the tab Auto Format. As you type, find the tick box Internet and Network Paths with hyperlinks, and unselect it. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you need Excel to insert hyperlinks automatically, or do you prefer turning the function off? Let us know in the comments below what you prefer. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to learn how to use Excel like a boss.